Hello everyone, I'm Pramit and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a motor. I'm not really scared. I'm really scared. So I'm building one cool motorbike protein. So let's build it. These are the parts which we need. Oops, I made a wrong number. I just love playing with Legos. Here's these two. Oops. Here. And these two. This. Here. This. Correct. There. One part together. This part we have to use. And this part. There we go. One side of it. Next, take this and put this part on it. Actually, why not we can put something new on it. This. Turning out great, guys, right? Sturdy. Where is getting becoming sturdy? And down this side, okay? So cool. Next, there we go. One motorcycle design. Cool design, right, guys? Now next are the wheels. Here's the wheels. Here's your face. You did it. But they have super screen. That was loud noise bound. Cool. Next, put this part, the small blue, on this side. Here, guys. So cool design. What do you think? The second one, here. And here. Second paddle on. Woo! Such a cool design. It's almost turning out great. Now the final touch. Putting the steering on it. I have to use my Look cool. Whoa. This is Sonic one. Ooh. Yes, come Sonic Flash. Whoa! Perfect landing. Now let's see it. There we go. So just some little adjustments to it. So just use my hands. So cool. Landed on the blue Lego. Whoa! Just let's put this adjustment on it. Look at this. If I add this part, you want to see that I can add an adjustment to it. It can turn into two things into one. It can turn into black motorbike or this disguise. You want to see it how it becomes in the black color, black and blue. Just have to remove these parts and look, black and blue bike. That's what I had made it. I did it. Look, I did it. Guys, now this is the tricky bit. So guys, you can do this at home. and you have to promise your mother to be careful of Lego, and you can buy any kind of Lego, even this Lego which I have. So stay tuned for more videos. Now this is the end of this video. If you want to know more about my videos, just subscribe and name with me. Let's spell it Pramit. Bye bye.